Wait, should I get into Space Mounts? Okay. Oh, Jesus. I can't stop looking at myself.
귀여워.
귀여워. I'm so freaking excited for this video. I waited so long to do this video. Finally. Get into the video. Today I'm just gonna apply moisturizer and primer because I read somewhere that foundation and concealer could show different shades of purple in UV light. So
1, 2, 3, 4 1, 2, 3 너 그래 너 요새 너 조금 이상해졌어 자꾸만 시도 때도 없이 시무룩하고
we don't want that.
고민이 생겼네
Now straight into the tea.
초등학교 영어 수업 시간에 배웠었던 현재 진행형 같아 하루에 10번 내 맘이 움직여 이상하고 아름다운 느낌이 좋아 걱정되고 보고 싶은 이런 기분은 현재 진행형 사실은 나도 뭐가 뭔지 잘 모르겠어 어쩌다 우리 여기까지 알 수 없는 비동사 플러스 ing LOV를 붙여보면 사랑인 것 같고 say goodbye를 붙여보면 헤어질 것 같아서 ing just ing 내 맘은 아직 ing 좋아한다고 보고 싶다고 그 말을 왜 못하니 후회할까봐
필요 없어 괜찮아 네가 I'm okay 걱정하지 마 신경 쓰지 마 차라리 어쩌기든 내가 잊혀가니까 I'm okay.
할까봐 망설이는 걸 너의 현재
So I'll fill these boxes out and be right back.
사실은 나도 뭐가 뭔지 잘 모르겠어
And this look is coming somewhat together. I guess we are left with the lips now.
비동사 플러스 ing LOV를 붙여보면 사랑인 것 같고 say goodbye를 붙여보면 헤어질 것 같아서 ing
I know it looks a bit crazy right now, but hopefully it looks better. Oh my god, I look a little crazy. Whoa, whoa. The pink isn't showing much. I think it's because it was a very small line, so also I might look a bit scary right now. Only on the camera it's looking a bit meh, but in the mirror it's looking good, damn good. I thought that hand thing will look cool, but it just looks like shit.
I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy. Yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐. 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야.
It's fine. I should not do that. So this has been our glow in the dark tutorial, or just a trial video. Tutorial. Let me put the legs back on. And we're back. I look like someone from the future. Thumbnail. Okay guys, so this is it. Thank you so much for watching me glow in the dark. And sorry if I scared you. I can't do anything about that. Anyway, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that your phone gets pinged every time I upload. Also hit that like button if you like me do this colorful stuff. Don't forget to check out my other videos. It does help my channel a lot. If you want to see me do more crazy shit like this, subscribe. Yay. Time to click some pics.
I'm going